All right, so in respect to justice for Mohbad, I'm going to be posting a lot of things today, right? So first of all, I just did yesterday, my friend sent me link to Linda Ikeji's post. Say Mohbad brother Adura don't grant interview. I was surprised. First of all, I was surprised that Linda Ikeji posted it because I don't interview people where they with Mohbad 24 hours before Mohbad by Linda Ikeji no post anyone. But why did she decide to post this one? Is it because this one suits our own narrative or agenda? But that's by the way. So Linda Ikeji, prepare yourself because I'll be posting more things and get ready to post all of them since you don't enter, and I am happy say you enter. Secondly, I'm surprised that Mohbad brother granted interview and no be me interview him. Now some people go say, must it be you, VeryDarkMan, to interview him? I will say yes. You know why I will say yes? Because I brought back this justice for Mohbad again. A lot of them don't leave the matter. I brought it back by interviewing all the people where they with Mohbad 24 hours before Mohbad buy, from Prime Boy to Spending where they with Mohbad that day, to even the driver where drive Mohbad go house, to in auntie where they with Mohbad, where they for house the day when Mohbad, where they don't talk say Mohbad don't buy, the auntie where they that place. I don't interview Mohbad father where they there. And waiting Mohbad father see he talk him. Everybody talk with you know. So it's only natural that I interview Mohbad brother Adura because I don't hear the testimony of all these people. I have the right questions to ask him. Do you understand? So I was surprised. Again, he said something in order to justify why he no come my side. He said, I no reach out to Ram. I did not reach out to anybody. All the people who come that interview, I didn't reach out to them. You know why? I don't want anybody to say VeryDarkMan pressure me. After I interview Sam Nari, all of them, now they rush, they won't talk. Want to say our own truth. Want to say our truth. Nigerians don't know what's happening. They change narrative. Want to say the truth. And all of them story aligned. Do you understand? But this boy Adura is fear to come meet me. And because of what people have been saying on the media, whether they call her useless brother, in don't say, oh, these people, they can't quickly go grant interview somewhere else. Do you understand? Now, when I see the interview, I reach out to the person, me and him talk. This morning now, I say, how far? He say, Adura said he doesn't want to come. This message was from this morning. He said, Adura say he no won't come. Say, but I have sent your number to him in case he and his team change their mind to allow him come. I just say, I know the exact game they try to play with you, brother. Anyways, it's all good. You self don't try. Him say, game just for everywhere. Innocently, me, I was just doing it because I thought it wasn't fair. He did not get a chance to air his own side. Nobody stopped him from airing his own side. He can come, but now he's telling you that he does not want to come again because he knows. Now, see, I am not pushing it to Adura or maybe Adura or Mohbad wife. These people are still very much innocent. Do you understand? The thing they say, we won't know what happened for the house. That's all. Now, one of the questions I would like to ask Mohbad brother, since he was in the house, everybody don't talk their story. Now, one of the questions wife say they go ask him, but me, I go ask you, is this. When una dey inside the house, and what happened to Mohbad, and he needed a medical attention. That time when una dey wait for nurse, may nurse come from Cotonou, what did you do? As you see, say the breadwinner of your family, something happened to him. It don't be as if the breadwinner of your family won't buy. What did you do as his blood brother? Look at you, you are a big boy, you strong. If it was me, as I see, say breadwinner of my family won't buy. And according to now, I say Mohbad no like hospital. But say Muna again, say Muna later rush and go hospital, and the hospital he buy. Even though some other persons don't talk say he buy inside the house. But that's by the way. Now, as your breadwinner they buy, as his blood brother, you suppose rush go downstairs. Neighbor, Mohbad, something happened to Mohbad. Go outside your gates, your estate. Gather people, come, they'll carry your brother. Put aside motor, carry and go hospital. A lot of people will be happy to help Mohbad because Mohbad is a star. That's a celebrity. People will be so happy to assist Mohbad. They're going to even use them. They brag, say, oh boy, if nobody say we rush Mohbad, go hospital. Mohbad for don't buy. If they see him for TV, they'll say, now we help Mohbad. If not, Mohbad for don't buy. But you people did not do that. You refuse to call the attention of people around. Why? Except if maybe you get with you and they hide. Why didn't you people raise an alarm when nurse from Cotonou never come? Why didn't you people bundle Mohbad to the hospital at the right time? You had to wait all the way for over how many hours before I rush the boy go hospital? That's number one question. Number two, even after this question, I'll be waiting for you to come. Your father say he see duvet were soaked with blood when he entered the house. Your auntie, Folashade, also said she see your mother, Mama Mohbad, they wash blood. She also said she saw Mohbad clothes in blood. All these things, we just want clarity. Like I said, I'm restricting the investigation to what happened in the house and 24 hours before Mohbad died, because I believe that's how investigation will lead to that boy, or what happened to that boy. I believe that's what it's supposed to be. Do you understand? So, if one of the talk say, oh, VeryDarkMan is avoiding Sam Larry and Naira Marley, it's because you don't think. During investigation, what happened 24 hours to 48 hours? That's what people ask. Then when you discover that one, finish, then you can now go to say, okay, who bullied Mohbad? Why did you people do this to this? Where give a mental, where give all those ones know they needed first. We are coming to that. So all the people, VeryDarkMan have been paid to whitewash them. VeryDarkMan, think now. Whitewash them how? You know what whitewash means? Whitewash means you don't already see saying that the person they guilty of that crime. Then they won't come pay you, make you clear the person's name. And in this case, there's nothing anybody won't talk. Naira Marley and Sam Larry know did that house that night when the boy died. And from everybody's interview, you people have seen it, that they were not there. Leave down all those, the bullying, all those one, a distraction. It was a deliberate narrative that was pushed. And I will show you people a lot of things today. Now, Adura say no one come. I beg, Mona beg Adura. They say, VeryDarkMan said that he does not want to interview them because he's sure that they will not come. I deliberately said that to put a smoke in the rabbit hole. Now where Adura don't talk, all of us know say they okay and is strong enough to speak. So Adura, we are waiting for you. Say you don't want to come, please come. If you want to come to Abuja, I'll book you a flight. I'll book for your manager. I'll book for you, book for your manager. Book nice hotel for you to come. If you don't want to come, I will come to Lagos to come and meet you. But all these things she said in this interview, man. But anyways, we'll be waiting for you. Please, love, don't play. If you play, go on and you will learn the hard way.